Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for July 21st, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so we'll start in the usual way. We'll look for buddies in bands and stacks, along with some other things. So 2 and 7, no buddies there. We have 3, 4, and 9. Both the 4 and the 9 have buddies up here. So 4 looks in here, putting a 4 in one of these two. And the 9's look in here, putting a 9 somewhere up here. That's it for buddies. This is interesting because anything like this 2 and 7 that aren't already in the box, so 3, 2, and 7, are going to be limited to one row. So the 2 first, this 2 looks in, putting a 2 down here. And then you always want to follow up on that when it's done this way because we want to know where the 2 is in the top row now. So these 2's point in, this 2 looks in. There's a 2 up here. We're going to do the same thing with the 3 and the 7. So 3 looks in, this 3 helps, putting a 3 down here. 3 points into here along with this 3, putting a 3 up here with the 9. And then the 7 looks in here, there's a 7 in one of these two. That points in here along with this 7, it puts a 7 up here. So we have 6 digits left in this row, and these don't have 2 of them, these don't have 2 of them. We'd need a lot of help from below for that to be helpful, so I'm gonna hold off on looking at that. I think there's probably easier stuff to see here. I do want to look for crossings here, though. So this 2, 7, we want to look at this 1, 4, 5 looking in, see if any of those match over here. So the 1 and the 1 do look in. They cross in front of this 2, 7. Whoa, I did not mean to press that button. They cross in front of these 2, 7, and that put... Excuse me. Whoa. Hard to explain things. We need to sneeze. That puts a 1 in one of these 2 cells. So that points down along with this one looking up. These 2 ones look in, and now we can place the 1 in this box. Very nice. Doesn't help the band or stack further. Oh, hope I don't just keep sneezing the whole video. Okay, so I got the crossing on the 2, 7. The 4, 5 don't have crossings. 3, 4, and 9. So we also have a crossing on the 3, 4. That's going to be very helpful. This one looks up, this one looks in. Puts a 1 in one of these two. So this can't be a 1, so that places the 1 here. I'm so sorry about the sneezing and sniffling. This does make another opportunity for crossings, but there's no 8s up here to help out, so I don't think that does anything. We do have these 2 6s looking at. I was looking for a crossing on the 6, but I did notice we just have 2 6s. Oh no. Okay. Anyway, so we have a 6 in one of these two. Okay, so other opportunities for crossings. We can do crossings this way, but 3 and 9 don't help here. I would limit it to these 2. That's mostly useful just to have the marking and to find hidden pairs. Hidden pairs and hidden singles, actually, I suppose. Anything looking up into here might be helpful. We already have 1. We already have 5, so 3, 7, 8. We already have the... Excuse me. We already have the 3 and the 7 marked up in here. Okay. It's 5. 5 isn't quite good enough in this row. Be in these 3 places. I apologize. All the sniffing and sneezing. I don't know. Anyway, let's just keep going. So this row is down to 4 digits. We need a 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm seeing this can't be 8, so it's from 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's not a 7 either because of the box. Right. So that's 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this can't be 6. So this is 5, 7, 8. This can't be 8. So this is 5. Oh, it can't be 5 or 8. So it's 6, 7. I think this can be any of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm scanning, right? Which I don't seem to be these days. All right. Let's actually, at this point, move on to the next band. There's a lot of weird restrictions up here, and I bet just coming from below will help resolve a lot of that. So we have all of our 1s. The 8 has no buddy, but it does look in here. Not good enough. Okay. And then we've got 1 and 5 here. We also have this 1, 5. Well, I guess the 1s are done. So we have the 5s. 5 is down here. Does anything look in this box in an interesting way that might be helpful? Oh yeah, we do have 2 4s looking in. So there's a 4 in one of those two. Not quite what I was looking for, but it's still helpful. No, I'm not really seeing much going on here. The digits that this box is missing are not really in the band or stack elsewhere. I guess the threes. Oh, yeah, I don't know how I missed that. So both the 3s and the 4s are looking in like this. So that makes this a hidden 3-4 pair. And so now this is a triple. And I think it's just a plain triple, but we'll see. I guess this one can't be 8. All right, well, we need 2, 7, and 8. And that can't be 8. Okay. Almost missed that 3-4 pair there somehow. I wasn't really doing the stack yet, I guess is probably the reason. Anyway, in this band, is there more to find? The 2 looking in through here could have been a crossing, but there's no 2s over here. I think that's all. This is 3-4 pair. It doesn't do anything immediate, so yeah, let's move on to the next band here. So we've got 3, 7, and 8. So the 3 has a buddy. What's a 3 in one of these two? The 7, nothing. The 8 does put an 8 in here somewhere. So we have this 4 and this 4 looking into this box, placing this 4 here. I guess we had these 2 4s also. Yeah, so we want to look at 3, 4, and 6. Nobody's there, so we're done with buddies. This 8 and this 8. Oh, I was gonna say it crosses this 8. There's already an 8 in the box. Never mind. Does anything look through here? Just the 4, huh? This row is down to 3 digits. We need a 5, 6, and 9. This can't be the 6. That's all I see. 5, 6, 9. Oh, it can't be the 6 or the 9. Wow, my scanning today. Anyway, that's not that's the naked single 5. We're left with a 6, 9 pair. Nice. This 5 comes back up. So the remaining digits here are 2, 7, and 8. Let's just fill that out. 2, 7, and 8. Yeah, there's no restriction on those, though. Anything else to do in this band? I'm really not seeing anything. 6 looking in doesn't quite help me. I'm looking at 1 and 2 in this row. Not quite there. Okay. Yeah, I am going to move on. Let's do this stack. So 1 and 8 ones are one's almost done. We have these ones. Ones can be anywhere in here. And then it's going to turn the corner here, right? Yeah, ones are... Okay, so ones in this box are here. So we have this, this, and this. This sort of turns the corner. That's all we get on ones. All right. So 8s. We do have 2 8s looking up. Puts an 8 in one of these two. Don't think that really does much, but these are so corner marked up. 1, 8, 2, 7. So the 2s do look into here. Putting a 2 down here. One of these two. Let's see. So this column is down to 3, 5, 6, 9. 3, 5, 6, 9. So this can't be 5 and this can't be 5. So these are 3, 6, 9. This can't be 9. So this is 3, 5, 3, 5, 6. Okay. I think that's all I'm seeing. Let's do this stack here. I kind of did it, but we'll look again. So we got the 3 and the 4 here. The 9s do look down. Okay, 9's one of these two. And then we have the 5 and the 6. Ah, yeah. This naked 5 was actually really nice because the 5, 6 look up here. This 5, 6 look up here. That makes this a hidden 5, 6 pair. Actually, the 5 is placed because we have this 5 helping as well. So these two 5s look up. This 5 looks in. The 5 gets placed here, which then if you just look at our corner marks, the 1 and the 6 corner mark were displaced. That places both the 1 and the 6, which displaced a 2 and a 7 corner mark. That makes this a hidden 2, 7. No, it doesn't make... Oh, why do I have these pointing 7s, and I should have been filling 8 here for a while ago, I think. Yeah, this can't be 7 because of the pointing 7s from here. So that's 8. And then we're left with a 2, 7 pair. Oof, I missed that. All right. So that's all cleaned up. 2, 7 pair here. 2, 7, 8. I guess I could just mark these up. Let's see. This cell here can't be 8 or 9, so this is only 2, 7. Hold on, what else did we need in this column? We need a 1. 1, 2, 7. We need 1, 2, 7, 8 in this column. This can be any of 1, 2, 7, 8. We need 2, 7, 8, 9. This can't be 8, so this is 2, 7, 9. Okay. I got this 6, I got this 8. Can I follow up on those at all? Not really. Well, actually 8 looks in here. That's nice. The 8 looks in here, so 8's actually down here in this box. And so now we have the overlapping 2, 3, and 8 corner marks. What this is actually telling me is we have a hidden 3, 8 pair here because the 3 and the 8 overlap. And that means that those can't be 2, so it places the hidden 2 here. And then this is 4 and 8. Oh, sorry, this can't be 8. It's not 4 and 8 remaining. But that does place the 8 in this box, creating a hidden 3, 9 pair. Okay, and then down here we need 4, 5, 6. And these can't be 5, so the 5 is placed. Okay. And that places this, does not place this 5, never mind. This is a 6, 7. All right. Got quite a bit out of that. A lot of this is just me not being observant the first time. Let's see, what can I follow up on? I got the 5. Ooh, that is actually kind of nice. That is very nice. So this 5 looks down, this 5 looks in. Putting the 5 in one of these two. So this cannot be a 5. That places the 5 in this box here. Leaving 3, 6, 9 behind. How are we doing on 5s? So we have 5s here, and then we have 5s here. So this is a hidden 1, 5 pair. And that's it for 5s. So that leaves 3 digits in this box. We need the 2, 6, and 9. And the 2 is actually placed in the box. This can't be 2. These can't be 2. And the hidden 1, 5 pair removed 2 from these 2 cells. Just to confirm, it is a hidden 1, 5 pair. These can't be 1, 5. These can't be 1, 5. Okay, good. So this is the 2 for the box. That gives us the 7 here. So these cannot be 7 now. Giving us the 2, the 2 and the 7 here. This can't be 7. So this is 2, 8, 9. Can't be 2, so it's 8, 9. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 8, 9 left for the box. This can't be 2, so it's 1, 8, 9. Can't be 9 either. Okay. I don't think I need these corner marks in here because we just have this quad left. 7, 8, 3, 4. Okay. We're down to a lot of these like pairs, triples. Pretty clean actually. Where was I looking? I was looking at this stack, I think, and I was following up on digits that I got. I think that was good. So let's just take a look at this stack before we look at more things. So this, let's look for buddies. 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 are taken care of. So we got the 2, 4, and 9. So we do have these 2 2s looking in. Putting a 2 somewhere in here. And 4 and 9, not the 4 actually. The 4 is looking in. Putting a 4 here. Okay. So this column we have 1, 2. We need 3, 6, and 8. This top one can't be 6 or 8. So that's a naked 3. This is down to 6, 8 while I remember the numbers, and then we'll follow up. This 3 gives us 8 and 3, giving us the 6. This 3 gives us 4 and 3. This is not a 6. This row, we need what do we need? We need 2, 7, and 9. 2, 7, 9. Okay, I'm going to fill that out. It cleans up a little bit. 2, 7, 9. Just the 2 cleans up. 2, 7, 9. This column we need 4, 6, 7, 9. These can't be 6. These are 4, 7, 9. The bottom one can't be 9. So here we've got 2, 6, 7, 9. Huh. Wait, what else is missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is what's missing here. Yeah, we do have these 2 8s looking in. This 8 looks in as well, so 8's in one of these 2. It does not make a hidden 2, 8 pair because this could be 2. All right, I think it's, at this point, it's just about penciling the right cells. Looking for restricted rows, columns, boxes. This box maybe, because this cell's not 3 or 5. So it can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be 6. Can't be 6. Could be 7. Can't be 8. Could be 9. So we're down to 7, 9 here. In fact, we have 3 and 6 looking in here. Huh. Ah, yes. I just noticed that 6 in this column can only go here. So we can place that. That's 9 and 6. I was getting very confused about lining up 6s. I realized that I couldn't line up these 6s because there'd be nowhere to put 6 in this box, but really that's just a symptom of the fact that we should have been placing the 6 down here already. So these are down to 3, 5, 7, 9. Do I have any restrictions on that? This can't be 3, so this is 5, 7, 9. This can't be 5, so this is 3, 7, 9. It's not a 7 either. So the 7's up here. These are 3, 5, 9. Okay. Now this 6 that I got does look up, giving us 7 and 6. This is 4 and 9. That's not a 9. We get our 2, 7, and 8 here. Okay. We got a 3. No, we got a 9. Sorry, we got this 9. So that's 3. That's 9. That's 3. That's 9, which then gives us 3, which then gives us 7 and 5 as well. Okay, so that's 8, 1, 2, and 9. That's 2, 7, and 8. That's 2 and 9. We get our 2, 7, and 8 here, 1 and 5 here. What do we need here? We need 4, 6, and 7. So the 4 goes here, giving us 6 and 4. That places 6 and 7, and we're done. All right, my solve was a little bit all over the place today. I think I missed some. There were so many corner marks up here that I missed the 7 corner mark when I penciled this cell, and I think that would have sped things up to get the naked 8 here earlier, because that really helped clean up this top band quite a bit and removed my my corner marks. I was very suspicious of all the corner marks I had. Maybe I should have followed up more on that band instead of just leaving it a mess like that. So that would be my feedback to myself on that solve. Other than that, we did have some. I think this hidden 1-5 pair was really, really key. This naked 8, this hidden 1-5 pair. We had a couple other naked singles that were quite nice to find. But yeah, I do. This what hidden 1-5 pair felt really key because it gave us the 2 in the box. So and that had a pretty big cascade from that. So yeah, let me know how you did. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.